and up for me. Good. Anything with that? Feel much
good.
better?
Yeah.
Awesome. So just kind of relax that left shoulder for me. Kind of relax. Good. Good. Quick here. Good. Good. And then down to this ankle. And down. Good. You're just gonna feel a quick thrust right here. And one on this side. Good. And I want you to take a deep breath in. Hold it. Let go. Relax. Breathe out. Lean your head back. And one more. Good. I'm just gonna kind of roll you over. I just want you to relax that low back for me. And you're just gonna kind of feel me drop, okay? Good. Same thing. Just relax that lower half. Good. Relax those shoulders. Good. There.
Yeah.
Get the other side in just a sec. Still pretty tender.
It's a lot better.
A lot better.
Yeah.
Good. 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 What do is just kind of tilt your head to the side here. Just want you to relax. Good. Good. One more right here.